Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new Warhammer 40k Imperium magazine, Glimpse into the Future. Now, as per usual with all my videos, if you like them, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course drop a comment down below. I love hearing back from you guys and it goes an absolute massive way to help the channel too. So, first off, with these videos what I like to do is have a look at what we've got to look forward to in several issues time. Now, we already kind of know what is coming up to issue 14, so of course issue 10 we've got more of the good old Necron warriors. Issue 11 we've got that awesome librarian in Phobos armor, which is an absolutely brilliant model and I do really like it. And we also get a dry brush with that one, which is really handy to have. Issue 12 we already know we're getting Agrax Earthshade, Screaming Pink and Canaptech alloy paint. Issue 13 we get some Space Marine Assault Intercessors, so we get 5 more of those guys. And then issue 14 we're going to get the Minotaurium good old armoured containers as well. So the armoured containers is one sprue from a set of 3, so it'll include barrels, boxes, ammo boxes, that type of thing in there, as well as the container itself. So bit of scenery to get us going, which is really good. Now, as revealed on Warhammer.com, we now know what's coming up for the 4 issues after that one as well. So issues 15, 16, 17 and 18. So really good stuff to look forward to, and some ones that you're definitely going to want to get your hands on if you're collecting up. So first off, we'll start with issue 15, of course. So issue 15 gets the awesome Necron Flayed Ones minis. So you get 5 of these guys in there. They have them awesome long blade-like fingers, and of course they're draped in flesh, so which is pretty creepy and pretty cool at the same time. Now, these guys are I'm going to really look forward to. I can imagine a few scalpers will be out to get these ones because the saving on this issue is bloody good as well. So really cool bargain with this one. Definitely worth looking out for, and definitely worth picking up your copy of this. And you know, why not order yourself a second one from somewhere like Forbidden Planet, for instance, and get yourself a pre-ordered a second one so you can have 10 of them, which sounds pretty devastating really. So should be really good fun. But yeah, definitely worth getting a couple of copies of these. Issue 16 we get 5 more Assault Intercessors. Now these of course are the core bulk of the Space Marine army, and we're kind of building up Space Marines because we are still going to get some Adeptus Mechanicus minis and some Adeptus Sororitas as well, some of the good old Sisters of Battle, which are going to be really cool to flesh out the Imperium of Man army that we're building up. So these are really cool, really nice models, and yeah, definitely worth picking up. So this is another 5 as well that we're getting. So we in total, by the time issue 16 has rolled around, you've got 13 of these guys as well, which is really good stuff. So couple of extra ways to build it for the Sergeant, for instance, but you know, definitely worth picking up. Definitely cool, definitely a good one. So make sure you get your hands on a copy of that one as well. Issue 17 is the second sprue that came with issue 14, which is the armoured container. So we'll get a container, an ammo box of some variety, or ammo boxes of some variety, and probably some barrels as well, all on one sprue. And then there will be another issue in the future that will have the 3rd container and the rest of the barrels, ammo boxes and bits and pieces as well. So definitely worth keeping your eye out for that one if you like collecting your scenery bits, and just paint it up how you want to, which is going to be the main thing for it. And then last but not least, issue 18 comes with a pretty nice model as well. So from what Warhammer.com have said, they're not 100% sure which model they mean from the publishers. So the description they were given was a Necron Technomancer, which doesn't actually exist. So it could be one of a couple of minis. So from what Warhammer.com think, it is the actual Necron Cryptek, which is a pretty cool model itself, and has that giant kind of scarab at his bottom that he's kind of, you know, near enough carrying him along, which is pretty cool. And he's a very, very nice looking bit of kit as well, carrying that cool staff and stave that he's carrying, so definitely a good one as well. Now there are also, because they're not 100% sure on it, there are a couple of other possibilities of what this could be. So it could be, as I say, it could be this Necron Cryptek, it could be the Necron Chronomancer, which is kind of unlikely in all honesty, but if it is, another fantastic model. Or it could also be the Psychomancer, which is also unlikely. But either way, no matter which one of these 3 minis it is a fantastic kit, and definitely a definite awesome model, and it's going to be scalped to high heaven. Just imagine the amount of people that are going to be trying to get out there, get a hold of this model and sell it online for more than what the magazine is. So definitely make sure you've got yours ordered, got it saved, got it reserved, anything you need to make sure you get your hands on this one. Now, by the time this issue rolls around, this should be the last one before New Year's. So that issue should be out on the 29th of December, all being well. Hopefully nothing can go wrong in that time, and yeah, really good stuff. I'm looking forward to it. There's a lot to look forward to with the magazine itself. If you feel the same way, drop a comment down below. If you don't feel the same way, drop a comment down below. I love hearing back from everybody. If you wish to as well, I do have a Discord server that you can join. It's free to join. There is no obligation to communicate in there. There's no obligation to talk in there, share photos, anything like that. But you can do if you wish to. So by all means, jump on board and yeah, get to see some pretty cool photos from some of the guys in there, and share yours as well. Share your tips and tricks if you wish to, and have a good bit of fun with it at the same time. Now, that's it from me. I will be back very soon. It's Warhammer Day tomorrow, because this is being recorded on Friday night. So yeah, so we should have some pretty cool Warhammer bits and pieces that are going to get announced, and I will do a video on those as well. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye bye now.